Today is our Independence Day. I am Dharmik Surya to tell you the name of our freedom fighters in alphabetical order. A for Ambedkar, B for Bhagat Singh, C for Chandrasekhar Azad, D for Dayananda Saraswati, E for Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, F for Firozshah Mehta, G for Gopalakrishnan Gokhale, H for Ekmewar, I for Indira Gandhi, J for Jawaharlal Nehru, K for Kasturba Gandhi, L for Lala Lajpat Rai, M for Mahatma Gandhi, N for Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, O for Unake Ubawan, P for Pandit Mahana Mohan Malviya, Q for Queen Lakshmi Bai, R for Rabindranath Tagore, S for Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, T for Tanya Tobe, U for Udham Singh, V for Vivekananda, W for Water Will